Habang naglalakbay patungong tagumpay, I've come to realize a few things that have shaped my path. First, success is not just about the destination. It's about embracing the journey. Ang bawat hakbang mo, ang bawat pagsubok, they all contribute to growth. Aking natutunan na ang mga kabiguan are not roadblocks but stepping stones. They've taught me resilience and the importance of adapting. Collaboration and not competition is the key ingredient. Surrounding myself with diverse minds amplifies my creativity and enriches my perspective. Ang pagbibigay ay katulad din ng pagtatagumpay. Ang pagkakaroon ng positibong epekto sa buhay ng iba ay nakadadagdag ng lalim sa layunin natin sa ating paglalakbay. And of course, striking a balance between work and life is vital. At ang pag-aalaga sa sarili simply fuels the energy I need for sustained success. Facing fears is liberating, and stepping out of my comfort zone has unlocked opportunities na hindi ko inisip na posible. Kaya sa patuloy na paglalakbay tungo sa tagumpay, I carry these realizations with me. They have become the guiding stars that light my way.